It was just a few days, but it felt like forever.
When will they announce we won?
Soon. I have written an acceptance speech.
Great thinking.
Oh, here it is!
Welcome back. I know you're super excited to hear the winner of our song contest. So am I. Well, they're here in the studio, ready to play with Catgo and the 9 Lives.
But how could the winner be there when we're here?
Number Slideshow! I think it's welcome to Number Slideshow. Yeah. Because of a 0. Get outside. You did 8 to the bunch. Change. 1. 8 to the minus. 2. 1. 2. 3. 1. 2. 3. 4. 1. 2. 3. 4. Let's get the like at something. 5. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. I'm gonna see if I can say it in my words. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you kidding me? Just another cool. This is stupid. It just destroyed all my buttons. Where's the child? Staying with the mind. It's 7. Let's count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are 8. Let's count on 1, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. Let's count. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We count down and 10. Let's count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We go to numbers 1 to 10. Let's get 5 now.